So I'm with Larry Cooper at the Experience, and this place is hopping.
Rockin'.
What's that word?
Rockin', man.
It's rocking. So everyone, it's a good vibe. People are happy to be here. Crazy busy behind us. I've been walking around taking pictures. Lots of demos. Larry, what do you think about this this big show since COVID started?
Well, we're just thrilled to have people here with us, obviously. But, you know, we expected we'd be pretty busy, but every room, every classroom was packed. Very few seats left. And then the trade show hall, I've never seen so many people come in at one time. So it's been really great, man. It's just been a lot of fun.
Setting a nice tempo for events. Yeah, the rooms where the classes were full. Great job with putting this together, Larry. And what's coming up next? Next, you're going to be bigger and better?
You know, we're getting to a point where we have this down. You know, our track program's working really well. We break things up and organize things really well. The trade show hall next year will be a little bigger again. We're moving over to Caesars Forum and another 10,000 square feet on. So the live demos in this room were amazing. Everywhere you walk, there's another live demo going on. That's really exciting to watch everybody engage and be involved in it.
Absolutely. If you go to cleanfacts.com, you can see a slideshow of what's going on here if you can't be here in person, but check it out. And if you aren't here at this one, be at the next.
Cincinnati, Ohio, right in your neighborhood.
That's right. I'll be there too.
Absolutely. Well, thank you.